And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 228. Let me show the Plaster photo filter. We go to Filter, Filter Gallery, you'll find it in the Sketch folder. It's called Plaster. Let me zoom out a little bit here. And by the way, if you can't find it, you can also find it in the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. We have 3 ways to adjust it. The image balance, that controls how much of the original image tonal range is used when the plaster is created. In simple terms, lower values retain more details in the highlights and shadows. And if you go up, this will increase the contrast and it will make the lighter areas brighter and the dark areas very dark. The second adjustment option is the smoothness, and that controls how smooth or detailed the surface will appear. For low values, you will get a sharp and gritty texture. For high values, you're going to get a softer, smoother one. And then finally, we have the light source again. This simply determines the direction. So by default, it goes from top to bottom. You can inverse that from bottom to top. And then use all of the directions, so left, right, and then even the 4 diagonal directions. Let me stick to top left, I confirm, and this I can use the Plaster photo filter in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.